We ready? Start. In the given situation, this court observed that general conditions of the contract do not prescribe any specific qualification of the arbitrators to be appointed under the agreement except that they should be railway officers. Further held that even if the arbitration agreement was to specifically provide for any particular qualification of an arbitrator, the same would not denude the power of the court acting under section 11(6) to depart therefrom, and accordingly confirmed the appointment of an independent arbitrator appointment by the High Court in exercise of section 11(6) of the Act 1996. Almost the same situation was examined by this court in Union of India and others versus Uttar Pradesh State Bridge Corporation Limited Supra, and after placing reliance on North Eastern Railway and others versus Triple Engineering Works Supra, held that since arbitral tribunal has failed to perform and to conclude the proceedings, appointed an independent arbitrator in exercise of power under section 11(6) of the Act 1996. In the given circumstances, it was the duty of the High Court to first resort to the mechanism in appointment of an arbitrator as per the terms of contract as agreed by the parties, and the default procedure was opened to be resorted to if the arbitrator appointed in terms of the agreement failed to discharge its obligations or to arbitrate the dispute, which was not the case set up by either of the parties. To conclude, in our considered view, the High Court was not justified in appointing an independent arbitrator without resorting to the procedure for appointment of an arbitrator which has been prescribed under clause 64(3) of the contract under the inbuilt mechanism as agreed by the parties. Consequently, the orders passed by the High Court are quashed and set aside. The appellants are directed to appoint the arbitrator in terms of clause 64(3) of the agreement within a period of 1 month from today, under intimation to each of the respondents contractors, and since sufficient time has been consumed at the first stage itself in the appointment of an arbitrator, and majority of the respondents being the petty contractors, the statement of claim be furnished by each of the respondents within 4 weeks thereafter, and the arbitrator may decide the claim after affording opportunity of hearing to the parties expeditiously without being influenced, inhibited by the observations made independently in accordance with the law.